And now we are going to fill up all of these spaces in the middle with, again, brown plus black. And so all of these are like piled up with coffee beans underneath also. And now I'm going to make a paint color that is brown plus black, watery. Make sure it is quite watery for the lines that show the woodenness of the spoon. And I'm just going to copy the same style of paints. So make sure you draw a line first on a rough page before you start on the spoon, because you really cannot undo it. And it's a very watery color, that is why it's not going to be shown as a dark shade. And make sure you use a very thin brush. You can practice, you can draw a spoon in rough and practice these, just the lines first with thin, or you can do it with color pencils, but very, very lightly, because they are not to pop out when we kind of look at this painting. They are just there, subtly present. And there's the black dark brown line over here.